In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Elementor website. If you're looking to enhance your pages by embedding engaging video content, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by logging into your WordPress site. You'll need to enter your credentials on the WordPress login page, so have those handy. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate your way to the Pages section. This is where all your site's pages are listed and you can decide which one you'd like to edit today. After you've identified the page you want to spruce up with a video, go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. This step is essential. It opens up the Elementor editor where the magic happens. Now that you're inside Elementor, take a look over on the left hand side where the widget section is located. Find the video element, which is a vital tool in this process. Once you spot it, you can simply drag and drop it onto your page wherever you deem fits best. Next up, click on the video element to open its settings. Here you'll see a field labeled Source. This is where you can choose where your video is hosted. You have a few options such as YouTube, Vimeo, or self-hosted videos from your media library. Choose the appropriate source depending on where your video is stored. With your source selected, it's time to enter the video URL. Simply paste the link of your video into the specified link field. This is a straightforward yet crucial step, as it's how WordPress will know where to fetch your video from. Now that your video is placed, you're free to customize your page further. Elementor offers a variety of styling options, so feel free to adjust the size, add overlay colors, or any other visual adjustments to make sure it matches your site's aesthetic. Spend some time exploring these settings to make the best of your creation. Once everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to publish your changes. Head over to the top corner and click Publish. This will make your video live on your site for your audience to see, and there you have it. Adding a video in Elementor is as easy as that. By following these steps, you can create dynamic and visually appealing content on your website. Keep exploring more options within Elementor to further enhance your pages. Thanks for watching and happy editing.